Your camera's probably set up with two audio options, your wireless mic and your NAT mic. But say you're doing a little field anchoring and you've got two reporters or two anchors in one shot. What do? Well, you've probably got your wireless on input 1. That's good. And you've probably got your NAT mic on input 2. That's normal, but for this case, go ahead and unplug the NAT mic. Take an XLR cable, plug it in to input 2 on your camera. Now take the wireless transmitter off of one of the two reporters' handheld mics. Plug the XLR cable into that microphone. Now, double check to make sure you're monitoring both channels of audio in your headphones. Here's where you assign your camera inputs to the appropriate audio channels. Make sure input 1 is set to channel 1 and input 2 is set to channel 2. Have the reporters do a mic check and notice the audio levels in the bottom left corner of your screen. Adjust the audio levels appropriately. Ask ENG for feedback. Get the levels in the yellow, but you don't want them in the red. That'll make the audio clip. That's all there is to it. Give me a call if you have any questions.